Hello, my name is Tom Stiles, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show.
Hey, how you doing? I can't believe it's been over 6 years when I started doing videos, and the response has been fantastic. I am really thankful for all my subscribers and viewers, for people who have been using my Amazon store. Things are looking up for 2021. Not been too good for 2020 overall, but I've been kind of successful on my YouTube channel. I think maybe a little bit because of the virus and people are watching YouTube more because they're staying locked down. I don't know. But I'm looking forward to 2021, doing a lot more shows and doing some more shows with Rob, starting to do more streaming. And I want to really thank everybody for helping me out here, keeping me encouraged. And I got some other news that's encouraging from the doctor. She's saying that the solar flux index is going back up again. Check out her channel. Let me come down here. Right here, here's her channel's names. She does these reports on the solar conditions, and she does a little segment related to shortwave listening, and this is the part of it right here. It's about 9 minutes and 40 seconds into this video, and she says it's looking good. So thanks to all of you out there. Have a great holiday and be safe. Bye-bye.